I was supposed to. Ikaw na magpunas garod. Nasama din ni pasamana ni ating mo. Gadya, ikaw ato magidya ni tapunasang. When? Balikan kita mamaya. I will check your work. Bye. Sige Ikaw na. Oh, yun po na. Yeah, let me do my job. It's a little shaky now. You're heavier than Auntie Joe. You do. Nakita mo ang ibon? Bakit? Nakita mo walang gaanong arts? Hindi pa ng arts si Ping. Good to Ping. Can't do that. Bagong likha. Yung side meron na daw. Tapos nakita niya parang wala pa naman sa likod So, gawan mo. Pinasting mo lang yata yung kuko. That's it? Okay. Sakto dito sa go. That's what you do for a living. I think it's cute. Modern art. Oh, on all fours now? Gee. I think your big sister is the commissioner for this. We got a permanent commissioner for your arts, isn't it?